Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to work on a very simple task, and we're going to work on my programming language, Hermes. This will probably be a very short video because this is a really simple task. So I have an issue here. Implement continue statement. Now it's weird that I haven't implemented that yet, but anyway, let's go ahead and implement that. So the first thing I want to do is to check out a branch, implement continue. Oh, there we go. And then we're going to go to the ast.h file, and I think we need to define a type for it. We have the break. Do we have a continue? No. So let's put the continue here. All right, and then I'm just gonna recompile, and then I'm gonna go into the parser, and we're going to add this statement here. Continue. And it's not going to be called break, it's going to be called continue. I realized my camera moved for some reason. There we go. Okay, so we added that statement there as a constant. And then we're going to need a parse function for this as well. So let's copy the parse break here and do a parse continue. Right, and then we're going to go into the parser.c, and we're going to go to the parse break, and we're going to copy this whole thing. That, and then we're going to go there. I'm going to do continue. All right, then we have to go to the, we need to add a case for this here. So let's just copy this parse break thing. And we are inside the parse statement function, and this is a statement. Parse statement continue, parse continue. All right. Then in our runtime, we have to figure out what to do with the continue statement. So we should have a big switch statement here somewhere. There we go. So we could just copy the case for the break and do one for continue. And as of now, we don't have a visit function for continue, so we need to add that. So visit break. Let's just copy that and do continue. Then we're going to go to the runtime.c. And we're going to copy the visit break here as well. And do a continue. Then we need to go into the visit compound function, and we have to handle visiting a continue method or a continue statement. And I think we can just do this, or visited type equal to ast continue. Then we need to go to the visit while, because we're going to use the continue to continue in while loops, right? So else if visited type is equal to ast continue, then we're going to continue. And that should be it. So let's make clean make, and let's try this out. So we recompiled everything, and let's add a file here for continue.he maybe. And let's just make a simple loop here. Let's do int x equals 0 while x is less than 10. Plus equals 1. And by the way, I created a syntax file for, or a syntax highlighting plugin for Vim, for Hermes. I can put that in the description. So now I have some nice colors when I open a Hermes file. Anyway, then let's do print x. How are we going to test this? I think one thing we could do is that we put it here, and then we do if x is equal to 4 or something. Continue. So we should be skipping a number now. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yeah, we skipped the fourth one. So it seems to be working. So let's add a test for this, I suppose. Let's make this number a bit smaller. Let's make it a 6 maybe. And let's skip the third one. Cool. So now we're going to add this to the test suite. And in here we can't use print, we have to use stdout buffer. Okay, then we're going to add it to the output tests. We're just going to copy this, and we're going to put the continue file here. And this will print 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, right? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, yes. Cool. Let's go to the test, compile them, run them, and they are all passing. Great. So we implemented continue. Let's push it. Actually, I will push it later. I have some other things that I have to configure the. I have had some problems with the test suite on GitHub, so I'm going to fix that first. But I'm not going to do that in this video. But anyway, we implemented continue, so that feels pretty good. It was very simple. I did recently implement break, so I knew what I was going to do, basically. That's why it was so easy. So yeah, cool. I'll put the link to the Hermes programming or the Hermes scripting language that we worked on now in the description, and I'll also put a link to the syntax highlighting plugin for Vim. Yeah, unfortunately there is only a syntax highlighting for Vim at the moment. If you're using another text editor, feel free to create a syntax highlighting for your favorite text editor if you want to, and maybe you could send me a message or something. That would be cool. We'll see. Maybe I will implement for some other editors as well. Vim is the only editor I currently use, so that's, I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, we implemented continue. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button, and if you don't want to miss any of my uploads, hit the bell button. And yeah, check out the links in the description, and I'll See you in the next video.